cruise lot, we have got a 2010 Sun Tracker 25-foot party barge. Very rare we get real quality used pontoons in. Get a lot of people asking for them all through the year. We've got this one ready, have it delivered for you at Christmas time. Well, what we've got is a double captain's chairs, Bluetooth stereo. It's just a great quality pontoon boat. Optional with a trailer. It's got a 150 Mercury engine on the back, which is super performance, real quiet. Great boat. It's got loungers in the front, loungers in the rear. Nice. Bimini is in really great shape. It's a beautiful color. Come see me, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, 850-708-1317.